Every day began the same way. Not with motivation, but with discipline. He focused on the work in front of him, knowing small efforts repeated daily shaped the future. While the world rushed in every direction, he walked calmly, confident in his path. In quiet moments, he reflected, because growth becomes clear when the mind slows down. He rested with intention, understanding that consistency needs balance to survive. And without noise, approval, or applause, he became proof that real success is built silently and lasts longer than anything loud.